Hey guys, today I'm gonna be doing a DIY sprouting tray. So this is what it looks like. I got this from Walmart. They're like 88 cents for two, so it's very cheap, and they are also BPA free. I'm gonna drill a hole. I'm gonna cut the cover off, that one, and then I want to make sure that the one that would sit on top of it, it will drain water. So this one, what I need to do, I'm going to cut this off for the second tray because it's gonna be sit on top of that. So now let's begin. As you can see, I circled it with Sharpie, and the bottom one I also draw dot points where I will be drilling. First thing first, let's cut this with using this knife. There we go. So this is the one we gotta get rid of. The top one will sit, and that is perfect. Look, the bottom one has, as you can see, this is the top one. Then you put that, and then the second layer should sit on top of it. Second layer, I need to punch a hole in it. So let's begin. I'm gonna be using 1/16 bit. All right, so let's begin. So now I'm gonna be punching a hole in the middle. I'm gonna let it a little bit because I don't want to punch hole into my tile board. Okay, that looks like it's successful. Okay, now that we are done drilling this tray, I'm gonna show you the bottom one. You don't punch a hole because this is where the water, the drainage go. Second, the third, and the fourth, those you punch a hole. Now you put that on top, and the third one. Very top one, you just punch like probably 4 for your seeds to be able to breathe. And we're gonna test this if this works. We wanna make sure that the water will pass through. Let's put some water. See, as you can see, it drains well. You see that? You want to make sure that the water from the top all the way to the bottom, it should drain, so all of your sprout in each layer will get enough. This is perfect. There's a little bit of water, and that's what you want it to be. Your seedlings will sprout fast. And I think we did a good job. This is my very first time doing this sprouting tray. I'm gonna go ahead and transfer the seeds. This lentil, I have been soaking it up for 12 hours. I think it is ready to be transferred to this one. So let's rinse this lentil that has been soaked overnight. And just rinse it real good. Okay, so your bottom tray, those are your drainage tray. Then you put your second layer. This is what it looks like. So this is 44 cents each. So you times that to 4. You have a nice sprouting tray that I bought from Amazon.com. These are $20. And why buy expensive one when you can do it yourself? Also, it's a little bit taller, so you can grow your sprouts into 1 inch or 2 inches. Because this, when the seed sprouts, there's just not enough space for it to grow. See, as you can see, there's only 1 inch right here from the bottom to top. I like my sprouts to be a little bit taller, so this is at least 3 inches tall. So, see, isn't that beautiful? This is the finished product, you guys. For this, it's less than $2 for the whole tray from Walmart. You can do it yourself, save money. I hope you like this video. Please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. And thank you for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.